哇，儿子，so long never see you 了。
This one for you.
Thank you.
Wow. I never believed that our home would be renovated to be so glamorous from its previous rundown interior. You remember that time when we renovate the house? Wow, Renopedia really helped a lot. The house quite nice, oh. Ma, just want to tell you, right? Thanks for all your constant support throughout the whole lifetime, lah. But I just want to let you know, lah, your son, also not perfect one, lah. Not all the decisions are correct. Like marrying Jolene.
Hey, what do you mean?
Huh?
What's going on here?
No lah, talking about interior. You not very nice, huh? You see the wood color, white color, plus a bit of gold, wow, modern luxury, nice.
We've come a long way from where we began.
Huh? This is just a normal house. Everyone's house is this color scheme. What do you mean? It's just a house. I'm not impressed by it.
What do you mean by the color not nice?
I
No
mean,
good?
just look at it. It's just brown and white.
It's nice one.
How is it nice? Just look at it. Regarding it, I know my personal experience.
But I like this color. I like simple.
Hey, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Ma, thanks for all the support for all these years. I really appreciate it. Okay, I'm so lucky, right, in the whole lifetime, right, to born as your son.
Let Renopedia, SG match you with 5 to 8 interior firms for your renovation journey while you cherish every moment with love around you.